Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to connect Wix domain to cPanel web hosting. So it is gonna be a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get into it. So right here is pretty simple. Sign into your account in Wix and connect your domain that you already own. So if you don't have one, you might buy a domain or rent one out. So once you have the domain, you will get connected and the host records that should be set in your Namecheap cPanel account. So connect your domain. So enter the domain. Then here it's gonna say, okay, now let's update the connection your domain provider has given you. Press next. From there, you log into your cPanel account, go to editor in the main section, like here, zone editor. From there, you wanna click manage. From there, you wanna actually just manage the one you're trying to fix. So we're gonna manage this one, the nctest.info, and then configure the following three records if you want to use a bare domain for your website, just like this NC test info and a record of the NC test info pointing to 23.26.62.147. So this is going to be varying. Of course, you want to do your research on that. CNAME record for the NC test.info pointing to 1192.wixdns.net. You can do that. So once you have those actual values for your account ready, you want to go to the edit record and click edit and enter the new value right here. So you want to enter the new value and save the record. Then there you go. It's just that simple to connect a Wix domain to your cPanel web hosting. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.